welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Today I'm going to share you August month prediction. If you have subscribed my channel, then thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then I request you to subscribe it so that regularly you are getting a notification from us about the videos what we are posting, and it can help you out to take a proper guidance. So let's start with, first zodiac sign we are going to start with the Aries, the month of August. This is a good month finances wise, money wise, but this will not be so good month relationship wise and marriage wise. There you have to be a little bit cautious. This is a month where there is a high possibility of the reunion with some of your old friends. You may meet some old friend in the month of August, and where you can spend a joyful time with them. This is a month, mid of the August month, you may feel like tired, you may feel problem in focusing on things, because Mercury will be the planet which is going to create the problem in this month. So if for the Mercury, the best remedy is if you wear the green aventurine, or if you have a healthy lifestyle, you are eating the healthy food like green vegetables, this also will be going to help you out to be focused. This is a month where you may reach out to your friend to ask your own money back, and you may see a different attitude of your friend towards you. So you should not judge your friend, because they are also going through a bad time right now, due to which they are not able to return your money back. So you should give some time to them and be patient. First thing what I can see in the month of August for you is that you may feel like impulsive, you may feel like ups and downs in your mental setup. This month for you, first I can see that you have in the month of August, you will be getting a lot of illusion problem, lot of ups and downs in your mindset. You will not be satisfied in your present movement. You may think to get more and more, and you may think like my life goals are this and where I'm here. So mental wise, this will not be so good month for you. Mental wise, you are going to see a lot of ups and downs, but this is a good time where you can start something new. You can work on your hobby, you can invest some time in your hobby, you can work on your passion. So this is a good time to work on your passion, and going forward you will be going to see whatever time you are going to invest in the month of August to learn to invest in your hobby or in your passion. So this particular thing will be going to pay off in the long term. When it comes to the savings, so this is a month where you will try to do the savings, but because of some unexpected expenses, you will not able to save. So for that you have to do the remedies for the savings for the month of August. Being August is not so good month savings wise. When it comes to your desire, this is a month where you want things to be calm down, relax, because you are so restless, and this is a month where you want some peace in your life. It is seemed like that in your family life there will be the ups and downs. There may be the chances of the quarrels with your family members being seen in the month of August. When there are high possibility that in the month of August you may travel. There may be a short-term travel, and the short-term travel will be beneficial for you. This is a time where you may feel like detached. You may feel there is a detachment in your mental part, like if you are not in a good relationship with your partner, so at time you will try to work on that relationship. But August is a month where you feel like detached from your partner. You may feel like detached without any reason. Also you may feel detached in the month of August. So this is not a good month relationship wise. You have to be cautious when it comes to the relationship. But money wise, this is a good time. If you are into a business, and this is a month, if you are going to do a lot of hard work, you are going to focus on your business, then this is a good time. You may make money this time. If you are looking for a job change, then this is a good time to change the job. And this is a good time for the students too. If you're a student and you are preparing for any competitive examination, this is a good month to work hard. If you're going to work hard in the month of August, and so this is a time where you will be able to clear that examination easily. My one tip for you in the month of August is that try to be focused and try to do meditation, because in the month of August the major problem which you're going to face is being focused and being impulsive in your relationship. So you have to, and that comes from the meditation. If you're going to practice meditation, you will be going to see that things will become positive in the month of August. The meditation link has already been shared in the description. So second zodiac sign is Taurus. Let's talk about Taurus, how August month will be there for you. So Taurus, August month is a good month for you, but this is a month where you are going to focus on your goals, where you will be more goal oriented. So the best way, when the planets are aligned in such a way, then you become more goal oriented. So the best way of living this life is that start writing down your goals, start writing down your dreams. In a one page you have to write down your dreams, your goals, and in the other you have to write down the actions, because your dreams can only be fulfilled with the actions. And being Taurus, for you the main planet is a Saturn when it comes to your career and when it comes to your goal. So August month is a very good time to write down your goals, to work on these goals and take the actions. This is a time where there is a long conversation which is going on with someone. It can be a business partner or it can be the relationship. So this is a month where that conversation will come out and you will be able to get a solution in the month of August. That is a good time. And after, once you get the solution, you will see the relationship with your loved one or with your partner will be started improving, but late in the August. After 20th of August, you will be going to see that improvement in the relationship being seen. This is a time, August month is a time where you will be more focused on your career, you will be more focused on your solutions, you will become more solution oriented. In the first week of August, you will be in stress, you may feel like anxiety, overthinking, restlessness, but after the first week of August, you will be in a much more better position. You will be going to feel much more calmer and relaxed. So this is seen from in the month of August, that you will be more career oriented, you want to do something big, you are more. It is a good time for money making also. So it is seen that your creativity is going to work in the month of August. Big from your creativity you can earn money. Often you don't use this creativity, but August is a month from your own creativity, from your own talent, you are going to earn money. So this is a good time for money making too. So you have to always remember that always we take the actions in our life, but sometimes our actions doesn't pay off. So that is the reason the daily horoscope or the monthly horoscope or the weekly horoscopes are very important, so that you will be able to get to know about the planets. So right now, Taurus, for you Taurus people, the planets are aligned, and when the planets are aligned, so this is a good time to take the actions. So luck will be your side, and if you will be going to take the actions, so things will become much better. So August month, I will be going to suggest to take the actions that's important for you. When it comes to the desires, your desires will be very high. In the month of August, you may plan to purchase new house also. You may you have a big goals, so you have to take the actions so that your goals will be fulfilled. So this is a good time where you may travel with your family too, and that will be a short-term travel. This is a time where you may feel like drained out, you may feel like your energies are drained out without any reason. Career wise, finances wise, this is a good month, but this is a month where you may get trapped in any type of short term money, like you may trapped in like share market. So there you have to be cautious. Investing in the share market is not suggested in the month of August. Otherwise, overall the month of August is a good month money wise, and relationship wise you are going to see an improvement after 20th of August. Gemini, so month of August, this is a time where you are going to resolve a lot of things. So you may be you have some fight or disconnect with someone. So Geminis, in the month of August, time will come that you will be going to reach at the boiling point. That is a time that you will be going to lose your patience. You have a lot of trust on that person, and this is a time that your trust or faith will be break down. But this is a month where you can talk to them straightforward, and you may come to the solution too. So this is a month where you are going to see a lot of ups and downs in your mental setup. Mental wise, sometimes you will be very happy in the month of August, and sometimes you will be very sad. There are a lot of mood swings being seen in the month of August. August is a month which is a good month money wise. So after 20th of August, you will be going to see that you are going to get unexpected money from some source. That will be a good hope for you. And this is a good time after 20th of August where you can get some unexpected money. Yeah, this is a time where right now you are giving some type of relief or some type of help to someone, and that person is expecting too much from you right now, and where you are not able to say no to that person. But in a month of August, you may take a stand for your own self. You may do self analysis, and you can go straight forward, talk to that person about the things that is making you irritated or that is giving you the anger issues. So the month of August seems like it is a positive month for you money wise, but relationship wise, this is a month where you are going to come to the solution, yes or no for you. This is a month where you have a lot of desires to travel, because right now you are bored from your daily routine, and this is a month where you high desire to travel. But there will be less possibility that you are going to travel in the month of August. The desire will be high. It is seen that a long application which you have applied since long and you were waiting for any type of approval, or you have applied for visa, then there are high possibility that particular application will be approved and it will be in your favor. This is a time where you may feel like detached from your loved ones, detached especially from your family members. You may feel like detached. Till 20th of August, you are going to see a lot of ups and downs in your career, but after 20th of August, things will be better in your career. This is a good month to work on your own self. This is a good month for the self analysis. Write down your goals and start working towards your goals, because Gemini, now it is seen that you were struggling a lot in your life since long, and gradually and slowly you will see a lot of improvement in your life. Right now you must be thinking that luck is not your side, things are not working in your favor, but gradually and slowly improvement will come in your life. But again, you have to take the ownership of your life. Stop cripping about your luck and start taking the actions. So when you will start taking the actions, Shani will started favoring you. When you start making the plans and you started executing it, then August will be a very good month for you if you do the hard work. So you will be get the payoff, or you will be going to get unexpected money after 20th of August. Cancer, despite the recent challenges, actually who you are going to shine in the month of August. So it is seen in the month of August that before that you must got rejected by someone in your love relationship or in your career life, due to which you may feel like very demotivated and you have a self-doubt. But in the month of August, you can shine like a star. But for that, you have to take the ownership of your life. You have to cultivate the self-love within you. Start working on your own self. Do exercise. Do things that makes you happy. So this is a month, August is a month where you are going to take the ownership of your life. Whoever has rejected you in the past, so this is a time to work on your own self, to show those people where you are, to show those people about your success. So August is a month to work on your own self. This is a month where you will be going to get new opportunities, where you are going to work on your own self. Career, you are going to work on some project which is very nearer to your heart. So this is a good time to work on your project, and there are very high possibility that you are going to get success. August is a month where you are going to feel much more positive. Your aura will be much more positive. Anyways, you are Cancerian, so you're very emotional and you're very sensitive at time. But August is a month where you can work on your own self and you can reach at a different height altogether. Next, it seems like if you're going to focus on the savings, then August is a good month to save money also. This is a time where you will be getting a lot of desires to work on your own self, to spend time with your own self, to travel alone. Maybe you can plan one solo trip also in the month of August. So this is a month where career wise you may face the problems. You have to do a lot of hard work to get the success in the career, but along with that you may get some unexpected profits also if you are into a business. Luck wise, you are going to see ups and downs, and you may feel like why the luck is not your side. or the luck is already there your side, but still in your mind you feel like luck can more be my side. Like this type of thoughts may come in the month of August. This is a good time for the money making. If you are going to work hard during this time and you are into a business, then this is a good time. You may make good money during this time. This is a time where your mind will be very restless. Although you are very restless, but in the month of August you will be more restless. You may think without any reason, but this is a good time to work on yourself, to get the success, work on your aura, do self-improvement, cultivate self-love to get the success. The month of August, it is a time where at the starting of the August you may feel like very irritated from your family because the balance will be missing in your life. You will not able to manage or balance your family life and your career altogether, and because of a lot of reasons you may feel like frustrated and irritated also in the first week of August. But after the first week you are going to spend some quality time with your family members, with your team members as well, and you will be going to feel a sense of joy also, and you are going to enjoy during this time. It is seen that in the month of August you will be going to more focus on the happiness of others, like your friends or the relatives, and this is a good time where you're going to spend more time with your friends and relatives. You may go out and travel also. This is a time where you will be more positive, you will be more focused, and you will be going to think more about how to make more money. And if you're going to make the plans in the month of August how to make more money going forward, you will be going to see that you will be able to make more money also, because planets will be started aligning. But in the month of August it is seen that the involvement of the in-laws will be there, because of which you may feel like frustrated, or there may be some differences with your partner is seen. It is a time where there will be the ups and downs in your health also being seen, so you have to be conscious with the health wise also. Overall, this is a good time. You will be in the more positive mindset. You money wise also, this is a good time. Career wise, starting week you may face the problem, but afterward you balance will be going to come in the career too. This is a time where at times you will be very positive about your life, but maybe the next day you will be not so positive. So you have to work on your mindset. For that I recommend you to do the meditation and try to offer water to the sun daily. It is going to help you out to improve your Virgos. So August is a month where you are going to get a lot of mess, lot of ups and downs you are going to see in the month of August, but this is actually a transformation period for you. You will be going to face a lot of problem, but going after in the month of August only you will be going to get the answers, that whatever problems you are going to face in the month of August, or which you are already facing in your life, this is a transformation period. Shani want to teach you something. Shani want to give you the lessons. Please follow that lessons. Work as per the Shani, because whatever changes the Shani is asking you to do, these are the positive changes. So there is already a lot of messes going on in your life. There will be more mess in the month of August, but if you will go with the flow, if you trust the universe, things will be better in your life. This is a month where you have to go with the flow. Don't apply your logical mind. Just go what is coming in your life, because this is a positive transformation period for you, not a negative transformation period. This is a time where you may be invited from any of your friend or the relative to be a part of the party. In that, somebody unknown coming in the party where you don't like that person, but you have to be neutral in that, because that will be good opportunity. If you are a single, then there are high possibility that you are going to meet someone new also during this time. But August is a month where you are going to get unexpected challenges in your life. Without any reasons you will be going to see the delays, but those delays at that particular moment you may feel like that the delays are not in your favor. Why are these challenges coming in your life? But be positive. Again, I'm repeating, these transformations are positive for you. You need not to be negative. But you have to be conscious in the relationship. There is the high possibility of your partner may get involved with a third person. So relationship wise, you have to be a little bit conscious. Luck will be your side, but with a hard work. So earning money in the month of August will not be so easy for you. So you have to do a lot of hard work to get things aligned in the month of August. Overall, it is seeing that this is a good time for you. This is a transformation period for you. This is a time when you are going to work on yourself. You are going to take the positive lessons during this time and work on those lessons. or work on those challenges which are coming with your own creative ideas, with your own hard work. You will be able to overcome those problems, and you will be seeing a lot of positive changes in your life going forward. And relationship wise, this is not a good time. If you are already in a relationship, then you have to be little bit conscious. But if you're single, then there are high possibility that you're going to meet someone new during this time, so it is a positive time. But for the one who are already in the relationship, who are already in the committed relationship, there they are going to face the problem during this time. Libra, for you, the month of August, it is a time where you have to be in a deep concentration when it comes to your work, when it comes to your career. You may make some small mistake where your boss can make a big challenges for you in the month of August. So you have to be conscious while signing any paper or any documents. Again, you have to be conscious in the month of August, and you have to go in the deep discussion with someone if you are planning to purchase anything. This is a time where you may spend some quality time with your loved one. You may get deeply involved with your friends, or with the one whom you love. This is a time where luck will be your side, but you may feel like that pleasures are missing in your life, or you may feel like sad from inside because you want to travel, or you want some pleasures in your life. You want to enjoy your life, but in the month of August you may not able to enjoy, and that may give you a sense of sadness in the month of August. Daily problem in your life will be ups and downs will be seen in your daily life in the month of August. And the problem will be more because you will not be satisfied in your present moment, so satisfaction will be must. You have to be cautious in your love relationship. This is not so good month love and relationship wise. Try to be more try to talk to your partner in a very calm way, because you may become more impulsive, aggressive at time, and that can create the problem in your relationship. This is a good month. Luck will be your side. So money wise, this is a good month. If you're going to do a lot of hard work during this time, then you can make good money. If you're looking for a job change, then there's a higher possibility you will be able to change your job also. But during this time you may face the problem with the relationship. Scorpio, so August is a month where you have to be little bit conscious with what you speak, because people may take you otherwise. You may feel like irritated, anger issues, and the quarrels with the family members being seen because the thoughts will not match with your family members. This is a time where you want to go outside, you want to travel, but the things will not be in your budget, or you may not plan to travel in the first week or the second week of August, but it is seen in the last week of August you may plan to travel, and that traveling will be in your favor. Not only traveling, anything which you are planning since long, so that is getting delay, or you are facing challenges in that particular thing, so that work will be completed successfully at the end of the August. In the starting you may face the challenges in this. Relationship wise, this is not so good time. Ups and downs in the relationship being seen, and the major reason for the ups and downs will be the ego clashes and aggression and the irritation. So my suggestion here is that if you work with your partner and you maintain the harmony and try to ignore few things, then you can maintain that relationship. Otherwise there will be the ups and downs in the relationship being seen. This is a month where you are going to overthink a lot. Without any reason you may overthink a lot, and your mind will be very restless. You may face problem in sleeping too. Money wise, luck will be your side. Career wise, luck will be your side. If you are looking for a job change since long, then this is a good time to change the job, and there's a higher possibility that you will be able to get the job also in the month of August. Business wise, if you are into a business, if you are going to do a lot of hard work, then profits and gains being seen in your business life too. Yes, so the month of August, you should embrace the possibility of the positive changes in your life, and this is a month where you are going to get a lot of new opportunities too. There is a possibility of a change of a place is there. You may change your house, or there is a high possibility that the change of place is there, and that change will be positive in your favor. This is a good time. This is a time where you will be having a very high desires to do something big. If you are into a business, then you will be more more money oriented in the month of August. If you are into a job, then you may think to change the job or any work what you are doing. So during this time you will be very much goal oriented, and you may feel like somewhat depressed also in the month of August, that what are your life goals and where you're standing. But my advice here to you is that afterward time will be better if you are going to take the actions right now, rather than thinking where I am right now. If you're going to take the actions, then August month will be a positive month for you. This is a time where you may see some delays in your work, some ups and downs of the delays in the work being seen. Your partner may require more emotional support. If you are already married, then the involvement of the in-laws being seen in the month of August. This is a time where you have to be a little bit conscious with the defame. Like anyone around you, it can be your friends or the relatives. They can start talking something negative about you. You should not be bothered about these things, because if you are a positive soul, you should not think about what other people thinking about you. Otherwise, you have to be conscious with the defame in the month of August. Planets will be aligned, luck will be your side if you do the hard work. During this time, you may stuck in the office politics also. There you have to be conscious. Otherwise, overall, this will be an average month for you, but you have to be conscious. August is a very positive month for you. This is a time where you can grow financially. Whatever the hard work you have done in the past, or whatever the problem you were facing in the past, now it is a time you will be started getting the positive results out of it. So this is a good month to work on yourself. If you feel low about your past mistakes, or something you have done bad in the past, or someone have done something bad with you, then try to overcome it. And the best way to overcome your past betrayal is through the self-love, to the self-cultivate. This is a good time overall for you. Finances wise, actually this is a very good time. This is a good time to get more success finances wise, but you have to manage your finances very well, because right now the universe is ready to give you the blessings. August month is a positive month finances wise, but as the money will come, the outflow will also be high. So you have to keep an eye on your expenses too. It is a good time where you can plan how to manage your finances well. So overall, this is a good time finances wise, where you can focus on the savings also if you are going to work on the finances. This is a time where you will be able to manifest. You will be able to manifest your dream life. This is a time where things will be much more positive in your life, finances wise, career wise. But without any reason, you may feel like restless. So you have to control your mindset. Otherwise, things will be better. You have to take care of your relationship, because the relationship wise time doesn't look so good. And just go with the flow, because right now the universe is ready to give you the blessings, and you have already struggled a lot in your life. So it is a time to get the blessings and to receive the blessings from the universe. Say daily a positive affirmation to your own self. Now you are ready to receive the blessings from the universe. So it's a good Aquarius. The month of August, you may take some big decisions in the term of purchasing a car or purchasing your own house, but you have to be a little bit conscious in the month of August if you're planning to purchase a new car or a new house. You may go in a deep conversation with one of your family members in the month of August, where that discussion may come into the argument, and that can give you a sense of disconnect or a sense of confusion too. August is a month where you have to plan things you have to pre-plan your things. Don't rely on the luck in the month of August, because whatever the hard work you're going to do in the month of August, that is going to pay off, but luck will not be so much your side. So it's my suggestion to you that you have to maintain the peace and the harmony in the month of August. Try not to take any important decisions in the month of August, and be conscious, be in your conscious mind. Whatever the important decisions you are going to take in the month of August, try to cross check it twice, so that you are not going to make any mistake in your career, as well as any long decisions which you are taking. Pisces, the month of August, it is seen that you started getting the new opportunities already. So in the month of August, you will be going to get a lot more new opportunities in your career. If you are into a business, then you are going to get a lot of new opportunity. If you are into a job, you You may already get the offer letter, or if you're looking for a job change, you may get an offer letter, because August is a good month for you. But this is a month where you have to work on your mindset without any reason. Also, you're overthinking a lot. In your subconscious mind, there is one or the other thing is always there in your mind. So you have to be conscious with your own mental setup, otherwise things are better. You may feel confused, or without any reason you may feel like illusions, or you started making any type of stories in your mind, or you may not be satisfied in your present moment. Everything is going well in your life, career wise things are better, but family wise you may face the challenges. While talking to a family members, you may feel a problem, or challenges may come in your family life. So you will be started getting the solution. Gradually and slowly you will be started getting the solution related to the problems in the family life, but things will be better, but not as soon. But things will be much better at the end of the August. It is seen that marriage wise you may face some ups and downs. You have to take care of your partner's health too, and there is a disconnect being seen from your partner without any reason. You may not understand your partner, or your partner may not understand you. If you're already married, the involvement of the in-laws being also seen in the month of August, there you have to be conscious. Otherwise, career wise you are going to see a good improvement, and you will be going to get a lot of new opportunities. So all the predictions of the month of the August has already been shared. Still you have any questions, then you can ask me. And even the detail about all the zodiac sign has already mentioned on the comment also. You can go and check on the comment, and you can find your own zodiac sign. From there also you can read about your zodiac sign. If you can relate to my prediction, then try to share it on the comments so that we can start working on it. And anything if I have missed, you can ask a question in the comment. We have already started an episode in that the episode name is Ask with Swati. So in that you can share your question in the comment along with your name. I'm going to choose a relevant one and will be going to answer you in the video, so that I will be able to give you the proper guidance about your life. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your loved one. Thank you and have a great day ahead.